Me, I go work with the executive,
Yes.
with the Obuah, with the council, to make sure say what belongs to these people where they do business, make they get out. No, be say me, I be big man. I say I drop because I use my name, give my wife, give my pikin, give my son, give everybody. When other people where they do this business, the small one they go get, they can't pay rentage. I say no good. Now when I don't help us like this, it's my turn now to pay back. In every new thing, some people they suffer initially, but at the end of it all, everybody go happy. The two I come tell you now today, we say Omoku community, and their subsidiary companies have decided that the Omoku market day now is not supposed to pass like this. Look at how everywhere they where jam packed. Each small fire enter where now, they can spread everywhere. I thank the leadership for maintaining a kind of security in terms of fire incident and other things. Because if you see the way things happen here, all this small light touch here now, all this market don't go. So we have to beautify the market. We are going to build up to 1,000 lock-up and open shops in this market. We wanted to build it in Ozonowo. We say Ozonowo, that is that Belagran side. So when they build there, nobody go there now. And it's too far. If you carry this market, go build that side. Come position of and go that side. Come destroy the whole place. I can't do anything. The market there, no go through. Many people don't go like to go there because of the distance. We say, okay, what to do is that most of you may suffer for 3-4 months. Some of you too may not suffer. That's how we build in no day. Near Park, I think. The whole of that side come out to that, which is that? Free zone. The whole of that area will go demolish everything and build 900 shops there. 900. And the shop will get office for hunter. The shop will get water. The shop will be fenced around and put office. So it will go to be a modern office so that let our community develop alongside other people. Is that clear? So I said I have not entered this one for quite a long time. No talk will send my people make they come talk. No talk will say only executive come make I talk with you now. As I go come inside the market, come use my mouth kuro. Come talk to everybody, make they hear me. Not be so. I think I see me eye kuro. I don't want to say go around and say that lie. You make it there yet to go around say. So sometimes when we speak like this finish, all these politicians, notice what they talk when they do. They will just say, I go. When it comes time to do, they will go do them again. My owners, people that come here, hear from my mouth.